Hey guys, hope you're doing well. So today I'm here at the top. So that is our house is around down there. I'm at the top on the hillside. So here I see that is on my back side you'll see a small size of water pound here. So I'm gonna take you down there. So it's kinda just cause of winter it is dried up. So I will bring you down here, summer season, so it'll be totally lush greenery area. So that looks amazing. So I'm gonna take you down there. The pound is totally dried up here. So here it is, kind of snowfall at the moment. So you see this is a water pound here, small water pound. It is kind of water coming through this way. There's a bit of small amount of water here. So this kind of, I don't know, there's maybe like huge amount of water inside there. This looks kind of oily kind of stuff here. See the color is total black here. There's no water, but in the summer season, it is filled with a lot of water. Right now it's total dried up, small amount of drops of water coming out from these areas. So it's kind of amazing here, guys. The total green area looks amazing here. You see the stuff around here to the total black. This is the scenery here, guys. That is up there. That is a mountain that is packed with snow. 3 days before was a heavy snowfall here, but now there is a lot of bit of amount of snowfalls around, you see, and the whole snowfall has been dried up, melt out. The cow is going from there. It was here drinking water, but the cow, she has been raised there. She's going from there. Small little bit of wind is blowing right now here. It's kind of cold, but looks amazing, kind of fresh. It is amazing. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe my channel, my vlog, and please do support me. Stay tuned, stay together, press the bell icon, like and share, and comments below. Wow, beautiful color combination. Wow, see. And here is the snow, you can see snow around this mountain. Here it is, the snow, and this is the snow powder. Wow, beautiful. It is a real beauty, real color combination. So here you see we're here inside the two biggest mountain stones are laying down here. So here it is, the greenery, and here it is, the biggest stone here. I'm inside the stone. Both the stone here, I'm inside here. Beautiful. Wow. Wow, you see. That is the beauty. That is just the beauty. People live out there. There's a pathway. This is a pathway leading onto top. So there's kind of like 25 houses around there at the top. That village name is Gamma Store. So that is amazing. People struggle to walk around there, and that side there's a road leading up to there. So guys, this is beautiful color here. Everything looks amazing. The moment I'm feeling right now is kind of fresh. mentally fresh kind of situation right now. So it is amazing. So this is kind of, you know, right now it is cold around here. It is a cold season, the winter season. That is, it's kind of dry everywhere. It's kind of snow everywhere. But in the summer season, it looks amazing. Beautiful. You know, like in summer season, you got like everywhere you see a greenery. Everything you see you'll find lush green area. So it is amazing, looks beautiful in the summer season. Oh my goodness. So this is, you see guys, very amazing. Wow. That is kind of situation here. Oh man. It was a landslide here. It is summer. I have a video tag around in my channel. See, it was dangerous. The landslide was dangerous. So much dangerous so it is kind of, you know, like I'm alone here. Except me, there's nobody around this area. So I'm the only one enjoying around this area. So showing you all the people looks beautiful places. It is amazing, guys. See the water. There's a lot of water around here. There's a lot of water. Much amount of water here. It's beautiful. It is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. It's kind of tough around here. Beautiful such the scenario. This looks amazing. Everything looks great. Color, everything just makes your mind fresh. So I'm a tourist guider. Anybody want to join me, you can touch with me. We have an official page as well, so on the social media, Northern Tourist 14, and my vlogging channel, Myton Vlogs. So here we go, guys. You can reach me out there. So we're gonna make some sort of arrangement for you guys. Well, enjoy the area together along with me. It's kind of amazing. So here it is. Beautiful. Wow. See the angle. Oh my goodness. Fresh landslide was here in the summer season, the last summer season. So I'm going to take you down there. Up there it kind of looks beautiful. Oh man, you have to be careful. You see how straight down there. Small slip will cause you danger. So you know, have to be careful. Oh, I see. It is a fresh part of land. Okay, came down earlier. It is a fresh part, kind of landslide. Not that much bigger, it's kind of small amount. That is, it is safe. Looks, guys, beautiful mountain. Turn into pieces. Oh my goodness. This mountain is kind of dangerous. crash mountain, you see. Too much sliding. The crash mountain. Oh my goodness. But you see, like, there should be something into this part of area. There's like different colors. So maybe we'll get like different types of stones around. But I'm not sure which kind of part it. Well, like how to recognize the stones. So this is the main stuff to deal with. But other than, looks kind of beautiful. Beautiful stones, right? Anybody have an idea, so let me know. I will check around and we'll check around together. We have a lot of places around such kind of places. Oh, looks like like gold around this hiding around this area. So looks like the gold is around this area. It is, maybe there should be gold something because of the color, it's amazing. This color, this is the color, guys. Beautiful, astonishing color. When you polish it, this kind of stones, like, looks beautiful, like beautiful color. So guys, it was a landslide here. See, everything has messed with this area. Before it was beautiful. It was so beautiful. Before it was beautiful, like now after the landslide, you see the situation here. It's kind of very tough here, man. Everything has been messed with this area, like it was a beautiful area. Totally grassy, lush green, carpeted area it was, but now totally packed with stones. Oh man, that is something terrible, man. It was a beautiful place, but I will take you down here in a summer season, so it looks more beautiful than now. It is amazing here. You see a lot of water here, man. So much water. This area is totally mess. So guys, this is like beautiful looks around here, guys. It is amazing. It looks great, and so much cold out here into this area. Around this area, it is too much cold. There you see like ice, frozen ice around there with a mountain. So amazing. Wow. It is. There we go. Beautiful, guys. There's the water coming in, like, wow. Hey. So right now I'm here, guys. You see the green and ice and water and everything looks amazing. Beautiful color combination, and you can hear the water sound here behind me. It is kind of amazing here. So right now I'm feeling fantasy, totally enjoying the moment. So this is amazing, guys. I've never seen such place before in my whole life, and I'm here after like 20 years of my life. I came here when I was a child. But right now, I'm here again at 21 years, yeah. So it is amazing, guys. Like every people must visit such kind of places. We have a lot of places around here. I'm a tour guider, so anybody want to join me can reach me through email or my channel. My official page like Northern Bird 14. That's my official page, so you can reach me down through the out there. So we'll get in touch and we'll give you everything. So if you like the video, subscribe my channel, press the bell icon, do comments below. Guys, thank you so much everyone. Stick together, don't forget to subscribe my channel, and we'll meet you with the next amazing video. Till that, take care of yourself, be good with each other, and be kind, Phil. Thank you, bye bye, take care, see you the next time. So see you in the next video. Thank you.